I think that there's so many great resources in Connecticut to help our manufacturers excel. And not everyone either knows about them or maybe knows, but isn't sure, is it really going to work for me? So seems like you got something out of it. So I wonder if you could share with the audience, what was your experience?
In general, CONNSTEP, I think, is a tremendous help to the manufacturing environment, especially the smaller manufacturers who might not have that expertise amongst their staff. And that was the case for us at Prospect Machine. We knew we needed to do something, but we didn't know how to go about doing that. By going to the class, interacting with other colleagues from different industries, hearing about what their challenges are, you learn, wow, we're having the same problem. It isn't magic, okay? You do try to roll out 5S and have everybody do it for a week and then go back to their own routine. I thought it was only our place that had that problem, So I think that was helpful. One of the other areas that became very impactful for us was the utilization of how to truly manage our production. At the time, it was always after the fact. It wasn't current. If there was a need to run overtime, it's too late to ask anybody to work. How are we going to do that? Oh, I didn't know that machine needs a repair. It was always catching up, reactive, not proactive. I also think that the concept of bringing in different people when we started our production meetings helped bring the group closer, because the people who are really doing the work are the ones that really get to participate in the process. It isn't the supervisor looking to discuss what he thinks is important. It's the person who's working on that machine that can discuss what their problems are, their challenges, or maybe what their successes are. So I think that's created greater camaraderie amongst the team as well.
And those are all things you think you picked up from
the CONNSTEP
classes. Yeah. That's tremendous.